Good afternoon, Arlington, and welcome to the official start of autumn. So, as I last week jumped the gun on the Giants, I'm not going to be cheering on anyone this week. So, let's just jump right into it. So, we have a couple things going on this week. Wednesday, September 25th, we have the activity fair. That's on the North Lawn by the Arch from 2:15 to 3:15. So, it's a great time to see all the different clubs and activities going on. Then on Wednesday night at 5:30 to 7, we have our college fair in gym 6-7 and 5-6-7. We'll have about over 50 colleges there. That's open for all grades. All grades, 9 through 12. So please come take a look. Then on September 26th, we have Coffee, Cake, and Conversation, and that's at both at 11 and 6 p.m. I bring the coffee and cake. You bring the conversation. I'll also have representatives from the junior house administration for the 11 o'clock session, because at the evening on September 26th, we have a junior class meeting in the auditorium. So coffee, cake, and conversations open for any grade at all between 11 and 6 o'clock sessions. Then on October 2nd, we have assembly days for all grades. That's something that we've been doing in the past, and we're just continuing. That's on October 2nd. Then October 9th, we have open house. That's 2 sessions. We have dismissal at 10, and then we have a 12 o'clock to 2:15 session, and then 6:30 to 8:30 session for open house. Then on Friday, October 11th, we have the PSAT administration for all 11th graders. All other students are dismissed at 10 o'clock, and then the juniors stay behind for the PSAT. And just also as a PSA for our PTSA, we have our Spirit Wear shop closes on the 24th, and also continuing the PTSA membership drive. I put links in this parent portal. Not parent portal, parent square. Okay? As always, reach out to us, email, give us a call, check out our webpage, check out our Twitter feed, Instagram, X feed, all that for information, and Google Classroom. Take care, be well, see you around. Bye-bye.